How to use Apple gift card for in-app purchases. Let's get started. You can use your Apple gift card to make in-app purchases on an iPhone, iPad or Mac by redeeming it in your Apple ID account. Once redeemed, the balance from the gift card will be added to your Apple ID and it will be automatically used for any purchases including in-app purchases, subscriptions and more. So, go ahead and launch your App Store. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option Redeem Gift Card or Code. Now here you're gonna get two options. Use camera, or you can also type in your card details manually. Select the option of your choice. Then go ahead and provide your gift card details and redeem it. Once you redeem it, the balance will be added to your Apple Wallet. Once your balance has been added to Apple ID, now you can easily use it for in-app purchases. You can open your App Store or the app that offers in-app purchase. When prompted to purchase something within the app, tap on Buy or Subscribe. If you have a balance in your Apple ID, it will be automatically used to pay for the purchase. Just complete the transaction by confirming with your Apple ID password, Face ID or Touch ID. The balance from your Apple gift card will be used before any payment method linked to your Apple ID, so it will be deducted from the gift card first. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can use Apple gift card for in-app purchases. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.